What if I told you that your values are the cornerstone of success in property management? In the world of property management, who you are matters much more than what you do. Mark Brower, an expert with over 20 years of experience in property management. Core values define your company's mission and shape how you interact with clients and residents. Living your core values daily is essential. They should never just gather dust in a drawer. How many core values should you have? It's a question many business leaders ponder. Limiting core values encourages focus, making them easier to remember and embody. A manageable list of 5 to 9 core values can create a lasting impact on your business. Understanding the difference between core values and brand principles is crucial for clarity. Core values are abstract beliefs, while brand principles manifest those values in action. To write your company's core values, start by brainstorming what you truly admire in others. Take a look at those you respect and those whose behaviors irritate you for context. Using AI tools can streamline this process, making self-discovery of values faster and easier. Once your values are drafted, it's time to narrow them down and define their meanings. Involve your team during the brainstorming phase. Their input can be invaluable for refinement. Avoid letting perfectionism stall your progress. Aim for clarity and completeness instead. Your core values should reflect who you are today, not who you aspire to be tomorrow. Revisit your values regularly to ensure they still resonate with your company's identity. For those wanting to grow, establishing clear values is essential for long-term success. Let your core values become second nature, guiding every decision and strengthening your brand.